Here's a fun fact. Did you know that artificial sweeteners are anywhere between 200 to 2000 times sweeter than sugar? Shocked? Well, then you'd want to keep watching. Stevia, the latest, best, most awesome thing to hit the world of sweeteners. Stevia is a natural, zero-calorie sweetener derived from the stevia plant leaf. And it's supposed to be a healthier alternative to all these chemical compounds on the market. Well, first of all, here is a packet of stevia from a famous brand. Since stevia too is many hundreds of times sweeter than sugar, you'll see that in this packet too they add a bulking agent, which is maltodextrin. And maltodextrin is neither natural nor healthy. We've discussed it in detail in previous videos, do check it out. Secondly, as you've realized, the problem with zero-calorie sweeteners is not which one is best for our body. The problem is what tricks they play with our tongue, brain and body. So yes, stevia is more natural than the others, but the problems of overcompensation, exaggerated sweet cravings, etc. apply equally to stevia too. To conclude, here are my personal 2 cents on this topic. When it comes to weight loss, there are no magic bullets. Yes, artificial sweeteners, when eaten in moderation, can help in your weight loss journey. And yes, stevia is the most natural of these artificial sweeteners. But using them as sugar substitutes in cakes and halwas and colas and thinking now you can have as much as you want is a really bad idea. Because the only long-term way to stay fit is to eat real food and train your brain to not always give in to the cravings of the tongue. Train the brain to listen to the stomach and the gut too. Trust me, the food industry will keep coming up with newer, sexier forms of sugar every year. But if history is anything to go by, there will never be a solution that lets us have our cake and literally eat it too. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you like this series, please hit subscribe and get notified every time we release a new video. We are a really young startup and we spend a lot of money and resources on making this content that we put out for free. And every time you hit like or subscribe or comment, it really motivates us to keep going.